Home Canning, Guide 2. Selecting, Preparing, and Canning Fruit and Fruit Products. Guide 2 of the USDA Complete Guide to Home Canning focuses on selecting, preparing, and canning fruits and fruit products. Adding syrup to canned fruit helps to retain its flavor, color, and shape, but it doesn't prevent spoilage. You can use a variety of syrups from very light to heavy, with the sugar content increasing by about 10% in each. Light corn syrups or mild flavored honey may replace up to half of the table sugar in these syrups. When canning fruits, it's important to start with good quality fresh foods suitable for canning. For best quality, can fruits 6 to 12 hours after harvest, and allow fruits such as apricots, nectarines, peaches, pears, and plums to ripen 1 or more days after harvest. To prevent discoloration of fruits like apples, apricots, nectarines, peaches, and pears, keep them in a solution of ascorbic acid while preparing them. This guide provides detailed instructions for canning various fruits including apples, including apple butter, apple juice, sliced apples, applesauce, spiced apple rings, and spiced crab apples. Apricots, halved or sliced. Berries, whole, and berry syrup. Cantaloupe pickles. Cherries, whole. Other fruits covered in this guide include cranberry orange chutney, figs, fruit purees, grapefruit and orange sections, grapes, mango chutney and sauce, mixed fruit cocktail, nectarines, peaches, pears, and plums, as well as rhubarb and zucchini pineapple. The guide also provides instructions for fruit sauces and pie fillings. Figs and Asian pears must be acidified before canning in a boiling water canner. For fruits canned without sugar, use water or unsweetened fruit juices, and you can add Splenda to the covering liquids before canning. This guide emphasizes using either raw pack or hot pack methods. Hot packs are recommended especially for acid foods being processed in boiling water canners. Be sure to leave the correct headspace when filling jars, and remove air bubbles. After processing, do not retighten jar lids, and cool jars at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. Following the guidelines in this guide will help you create safe and high-quality canned fruit products for your pantry. From fruits and vegetables to meats and seafood, you'll find all the information you need to create safe and delicious canned goods. Don't wait, click the link in the description below to get your copy and begin canning at home. If you found this video helpful, you can get your own copy of the Complete Guide to Home Canning today. We offer 3 different formats to suit your needs. First, we have the standard paperback edition, with a blue cover and non-color illustrations. This is our most economical option. Next, there's the hardcover version, with a red cover and non-color illustrations. This durable edition is perfect for long-time use or as a gift. Finally, we have the premium paperback edition with a green cover and full-color illustrations. This version offers the most visually appealing experience. You can find all of these versions on Amazon, using the link in the description below. No matter which version you choose, you'll get all the step-by-step instructions you need to can food safely at home. Happy canning!